Hey friends, welcome back to the garage. I'm Scott, and today we're going to be replacing the glass on this side mirror for this 2010 Toyota Tacoma. It's actually a super simple process. Let's get into it right now. So there's actually two tools that you're going to need in order to perform this fix. The first is a side mirror, a new side mirror. I was able to purchase these for both the driver's side as well as the passenger side on Amazon. They're roughly 20 bucks a piece. I'll put a link in the description box below. The other thing that makes this job much easier is one of these little pry tools. These are meant for trim and those kind of things on a vehicle. Again, you can pick them up on Amazon for really cheap. I'll put a link in the description box below. Now we're working on a 2010 Toyota Tacoma, but this should work for Tacomas of this same generation. Again, if you're using the link in the description box below to purchase the glass on Amazon, make sure you type in your specific vehicle and make sure that it does in fact fit the vehicle you have. So the process is going to be exactly the same for each of these mirrors. Now we're going to be performing this on the driver's side mirror, but the passenger side works exactly the same. Now, again, this process is only going to be for the Tacomas that do not have powered mirrors, meaning the lights that show up if a vehicle is in your blind spot. Maybe you have a heating function to defrost, those kind of things. This is simply to remove the unelectric or non-powered version of these mirrors. As you can see, ours was recently chipped up in a sandstorm, and so it makes it look like it's really dirty, but it's actually not. This is just nasty little chips. So thankfully, this is a really quick, really easy fix. Okay, so inside our mirror package, we're gonna find our brand new glass. As you can see, we've got a few little hooks. We've got 2 hooks on the top here, and then 2 more little grip hooks on the bottom. And so that is gonna be mounted just like that, meaning we can just get in there and manipulate the old window and then snap this one right into place. Okay, now you're gonna need to use a little bit of force, obviously, to get this out. Kind of helps to push the window all the way up like this. That way you can get some leverage underneath with your fingers. This is also where your little pry tool can come in handy if you want to get in underneath here. And basically you're gonna be prying up, and that'll give you a little bit more leverage as well. Now again, if you kind of look in here, it's really hard to see, but that's where those clips are. So you do need to use a little bit of force. And again, you don't want to just go yanking on this thing, but you do need to use a little bit of force, and again, you'll hear it pop just like that. Now, as you can see, I pushed too hard on that glass and it actually cracked on me. So again, be very careful when you're pulling that out. You don't want to damage any of these clips. But here is, now you can see what we're going to be snapping into with that new piece of glass. You can also see how the rocks that ended up getting in here that actually made the damage initially to this piece of glass. So you may want to do a little bit of light cleaning inside of here, and then let's go ahead and put the new glass piece back into place. Okay, to put the new glass piece into place, make sure you have those little U-clips in the upright position and these guys in the downward position. And then basically we're just going to kind of look and snap these guys up into place in the top first. And then once we have those in, we're gonna push down. And so let me put the camera down so I can use 2 hands to do this. Okay, so I've kind of slid this in here at a really sharp angle, as you can see. And then that allows me to just push it back down. So then you're gonna go ahead and again, be careful with this part, push on the bottom until you hear that snap. And now, as you can see, I can move it around, and that is nice and firm in place. Again, just 4 clips that hold this in. Okay, there you go. Nice new glass. We're gonna repeat this process on the passenger side. Now we'll take some glass cleaner and make sure all of our fingerprints are wiped off and that everything is good to go. There you go, friends. That is how you replace those mirrors. Now stay tuned, we're actually going to be making a whole bunch more of these Tacoma tutorial videos. Subscribe to the channel and we'll see you again on the next one. Thanks for watching.